Hello, class. Hello, class. How are you, Margarila? I am fine, teacher. And you? I am fine too. Okay, you are new student? Yes. Okay, welcome to our class. Thank you, teacher. Okay, we need for this class, we need the notebook and pencil and colors. Okay, teacher, I have, look that. And my notebook is that. Is this your notebook? Yes, teacher. Okay. It's okay. Okay, we start. You need to write date. Okay, Tuesday, 28th April, okay, 2020. Topic, sport. Performance. Identify. Vocabulary. About. Sports. Page 18. Teacher, what? I don't have my book. Not necessary today your book. Only your notebook. Why? Okay, today only learn and identify the vocabulary, okay? And then we work in our book. Entonces, ¿para qué colocas ahí? Para que los niños sepan que el vocabulario que estamos viendo pertenece a la página 18, pero no es que la vayamos a trabajar ahorita. Ay, qué complicas todo. No, it's very easy. Yes, Margarita. Don't confuse the students. Okay, teacher. Margarita. Teacher. Margarita, continue, please. Okay. Okay, vocabulary. Yes, okay. Today is vocabulary. You're in the center. Please, teacher, you don't know that you need the vocabulary. Okay, Margarita. Thank you for you help me. Okay, continue, teacher. Vocabulary. Wetsuit. Okay, and you need to draw. Okay, I draw that. Let me look the my notebook. I draw. Beautiful, very good. You draw very good. Oh, okay. Show the students. Look, my. Okay, it's excellent. Wetsuit. And your eraser? Look, my eraser. I am a princess. I am a princess. Yes, you are a princess. Okay, clean that. I help you. Thank you, teacher. Continue with the other words. Climbing boots. This is very easy, teacher. A ver, Margarila. Empieza a dibujar. Like this, like this, like this. I use that to climb. Yes. Los utilizas cuando vas a escalar. Oh, like this. Like very good, Margarila. Show the students. Look. Okay, excellent. Continue with skate. Oh, nice. Yes. Do you have that? Skate. Now, please, Margarila. On ice, yes? Yes. Like this. Like this. Very good. You draw very good, Margarita. Look. It's good, Margarita. Okay, continue. Escape. Muy. Very good. And now, net. Por eso se llama internet, porque es una red. Net. Oh, yes, I can do it. Okay. Now I cleaned your board. This is not your notebook, it's your board. Okay. Excellent, Margarita. Show the students net, the net, and climbing. Oh, yes, I know. This is difficult to draw. No, you can't. Climb. Okay, climb. Look, teacher, climb. Climb on the board. Okay, very good. And you draw? Okay, I draw. Show the students. Okay, show. Ellos van trabajando y tú también. Okay, work. Ay, Margarita. Ay, I need to fly like a horse. Okay, Margarita, very good. Your leg, your leg. On the mountain. I help you. Mountain. I'm with my. But I don't have. I have a glide. Very good. Excellent. You can. Okay. Very good. Your socks. Your socks. Yes, flying. Okay. Continue with. Okay. And now we finish the vocabulary. We have this. The wetsuit, climbing boots, skate, okay, net, go, yes, it's good. And now, climb. And in this unit, we need to learn about the verb need. Okay, teacher, need. Significa necesitar. Oh, poor. The dog, I love the dog. You love the dog. Need. Los niños ya saben los personal pronouns, pero se los vamos a repetir. ¿Me ayudas, por favor? Yes. I, you. Okay. He, allá un niño. He, she, una niña, ella, it, esto, it, we, las dos, we, and they are students, okay? I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Lo reúnen así, ya te voy a decir por qué. Cuando estamos conjugando, vamos a utilizar el pronombre personal con un verbo. Ok, teacher. Esos tres que se llaman terceras personas porque yo, usted, él. Traigamos a un amigo nuestro. Ok, teacher. Continue with our friend. Okay. Hello, Frog. Hello, Margarita. Ok. Vamos a enseñarles a los niños por qué se dice tercera persona. Ok. Mira. Ay, cuando soy yo solita. Ay, yo. You. Segunda persona. You. Usted. Tercera persona. Cuando hablamos nosotros dos de otro. En este caso vamos a hablar de frog. Ok. It. It is verde. It is green. He is a frog. ¿Sí? Hablamos las dos. Primera persona soy yo. Segunda cuando hablo contigo. Y tercera cuando hablamos de frog. Ok. ¿Sí? Okay. Cuando vamos a utilizar Margarila, el verbo need, que significa necesidad. I need to. Yes. Puede ser I need. Cuando lo utilizamos con la tercera persona, como yo te había dicho, ¿son quiénes, Margarila? Ay, yes, I know. He, she, ve señalando los corazones. Ok. She, he, it. Exacto, son terceras personas. Colocamos el verbo con una S al final. He needs, she needs, it needs, ¿ok? Cuando hablamos de I need to speak. I need to play with you. I need to dance. ¿Ok? I need to. Necesito algo. Ok, teacher. Es importante que lo tengamos en cuenta la S. I need. Con he, she, and it. Yes, I understand, teacher. Muy bien. Me encanta que entiendas muy rápido. Yes, teacher. Tenemos un ejemplo. Espérate, corremos un poquito la cámara. Eso. Ejemplo. I need to stop. Okay. I need to stop. I fly. I need to stop. Okay, very good. You need to stop. For example. You need to stop. Excellent, Margarita. He needs to stop. He needs to stop. Okay, very good. And now we need to stop. Okay, excellent. Ahora hagámoslo con los niños. Okay. Okay, que se muevan, se muevan. Okay. They need to stop. Okay, excellent. Entonces, this is the activity for today that you need to learn the vocabulary. The vocabulary about the sport. This vocabulary, please, in your notebook. And copy a small picture. And then you need to copy the verb need. You write need and this chart. I need, he, she needs, you, we, they needs. Okay, and the other example. Okay, your example, no my example. Okay, teacher. Okay. A ver, vamos a ver, dice. We